vehicle tracking devices with no monthly fees, we have options for pretty much everything. We've got individuals that are looking to track just the vehicle. We have some that want to track an entire fleet. Semi-trucks, they need interstate mileage reports. Some people put their cars on Turo and rideshare platforms, and for that they need starter disable. We have GPS trackers for almost any vehicle. We have an OBDII, plug and play. We have hardwired units that typically go inside the steering column. We have battery units that can be rechargeable up to 30 days. We have units that can go into the USB. If you want to talk about tracking your vehicle, that's easy. It just comes down to what power source we're going to use and what you actually need. Some are very basic, others are very, very complex. Just give us a call. If you want to talk about the OBDII tracker, the hardwired tracker, or even the portable rechargeable tracker, easiest way to get a hold of me is to call me direct, 480-292-9579, or click on this QR code and click a live demo.